How to draw Cuphead, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're just going to begin by drawing the outline of the face, and keep in mind that we're only going to be drawing the head of Cuphead today. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, we will draw the nose by making a small circular shape in the right hand side of the face, along with two circles for the eyes that will attach to the nose. Now when we draw the eyes, we're just going to use long, simple curved lines that will connect from the top of the head to the nose, and from the nose to the right side of the head. Nicely done. Now on each side of the eyes, let's go ahead and draw the pupils. You'll notice that the pupils that we draw will look similar to the shape of Pac-Man. Fantastic! Now let's fill in the pupil completely black. So now let's go ahead and draw the second pupil in the right eye, the same way that we just drew the left. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now once we're all done drawing both of the eyes and the nose, let's go right below in that blank space and draw the mouth, beginning by drawing an oval shape that is sideways. Now on the inside of that shape that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the tongue by using two small curved lines that will connect to one another. Well done, so far we're making great progress. Now we're going to want to make two small C lines that are facing the right side of the page for the cup handle, first by drawing the smallest one, with a second line going on the outside of this one. Now last but not least before we color, let's go ahead and draw the straw that is coming out of the top of the head. The straw will be facing the left hand side of the page. Now that we have the outline of the straw drawn, now we're going to add detail on the inside by drawing the stripes. This is how to draw Cuphead. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. If you want to see any more videos just like this in the future, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. And don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.